Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. That was off, but we're going with it.
We are.
So today, I want to do something kind of different. So Solar Color Dust actually sent me this stuff. It's called Hue Chromatic. So it's color changing fabric dye. Color changing fabric dye. I don't even understand. How do they come up with this stuff?
I don't know.
So the t-shirt is gonna change color. What? So they have a few different colors, but this one is magenta to yellow. So it's going to be this magenta color, and then it's going to change yellow. So it changes color with heat. So I do feel like this is just a perfect opportunity to show the entire world how sweaty and hot I am. I for sure think that my armpits are going to turn yellow like immediately, but I'm down for that, honestly. A color changing shirt.
Whoa.
It's very cool. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. I have a ton of t-shirts in this bag. So I have a t-shirt for me, a t-shirt for Sean, and then one for my brother and sister. And I think what I want to do is make a bunch of t-shirts for all of us because we're going to be going camping. And I want to make like camping shirts, just like a shirt that we've all got that says like camping crew on it or something cheesy like that. I even have some like stencils to do the lettering, and then we also got some like fabric spray paint. So I think this is gonna be amazing, right?
No, it is going to be amazing.
Yeah, it is.
There's no chance it's not.
There's no chance that the wind is gonna ruin this.
No.
So we're gonna get started. I am gonna get a bucket, and then we're gonna fill it with 6 cups of hot water, and then we're gonna pour this entire bell into the bucket of water, and then we're going to start dyeing these t-shirts. All right, so we have a bucket of hot water, warm water, pretty warm water, hopefully hot enough. I guess I'm just going to pour the whole thing in.
Surely.
Surely. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, it turns yellow. Whoa. Did you see that?
Yep.
Wow, that is the coolest thing I have ever seen. I want like every single drop.
Yeah.
So we place 1 garment at a time into mixture, allowing to absorb completely. Using gloves, wring out garment, returning excess solution to pot for use on next garment. Okay, so I guess we'll just get started and then I'll lay the t-shirts out. I guess I just put it in.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, ready? I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm making biscuits. Oh my god. Like, you flick it, so the liquid is like yellow on my gloves. And then if you flick it like against this, it turns pink because it's cold.
That's amazing.
That is so cool. Oh my god, it literally like turns instantly.
That's pretty satisfying.
Yeah, it is. Look at it changing already.
Oh, wow.
Because the air is like kind of chilly.
Yep.
I'm dying of this. This is the coolest. Okay, I think that's good.
Oh my god.
That's so cool. Look at it changing like literally right now.
Yep. Wow, that's amazing.
Okay. Oh my god, I literally am dead. I cannot believe. So I've let that kind of do its thing. We're gonna keep going before the water, I don't know, isn't cold anymore.
Yep.
So we'll do the next one. Here's another one. Pretty cool. Already starting to change.
Yep.
But I need to keep it moving. Oh my god, the other one is solid pink.
Oh, wow.
That is crazy. Look at this one already. I literally just laid that down.
That is amazing.
What? I'm gonna keep it moving. Ah,
Amazing.
literally amazing. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay, last one. Here we go. Into the bucket. The liquid is definitely like cool now because you can tell by how like pink it is.
Yeah.
It's like not yellow anymore. I'm hoping that this last one will be okay. I mean, it does say that you can do 3 to 4 shirts, so I'm pushing it with 5. But I didn't want somebody on the camping trip to feel left out. So I'm trying to squeeze in a 5th. But if it doesn't work, it would make sense because they do say 3 to 4. Trying to really soak up the last juices. Amazing. I think this is gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Because even when I hold it, like, you know, obviously the heat from my hands is warming it up and it does turn it yellow a bit. So I think this one will be fine.
Yep.
I didn't see that.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna go wash that off. I'll be right back. Okay, so all of the shirts are laid out onto the floor, onto the ground. And they're basically pink now because the air is like kind of chilly right now. What we are going to do is we're going to take them inside and we're probably going to try to lay them on some cardboard like on the floor. Okay, so we brought the t-shirts inside. We're laying them on some cardboard on the floor where they all are, and we're going to leave them here overnight and we'll be back to pick them up in the morning.
Tomorrow.
And then, yeah, kneel on. Wow! Wow! That's neat. Protected. Yeah. Okay. Hey, pretty great. Pretty great.
It looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, you guys, so I think it is safe to say that I'm fully obsessed. Like, I'm wearing it right now. It's mostly like a yellowy, peachy, pink color. I'm absolutely, I don't even know what you can see, but I'm absolutely obsessed. I know we've been on this whole solar color dust kick lately, and believe me, it's not over. But I know we've been on a solar color dust kick. Can you blame me though? Can you actually blame me? I feel like the answer is no, because they're just, the thing is, it's so fun to use. Like, their products are just so fun to try. So I hope you guys are okay with all of these videos that I'm doing with their products. They're literally just amazing, but it's yellow right now. Okay, here are some, I'm gonna say close-up shots because that's what I always say, but here are some shots, some fun shots of us camping and like changing the color of our shirts and like kind of wearing them all together. Okay.
No?
Okay.
Boom.
Yes. They can't see your fingers. There you go. No, they can't see the writing. And they can't see.
Can't be grow. Can't be grow.
Now it seems like.
It's gonna be like a montage.
I'm gonna show
video,
off
like,
my yellow pits.
Oh, yellow pits.
My face in the background is just like.
Oh, I got yellow pits. Okay. Oh, he's got gnarly yellow pits. Nice. I think this is good.
The back. Nice. Hold it. Especially when it's top heavy.
Oh my gosh.
Jake, your back's already kind of yellow.
Oh,
That
it
actually
kind of worked.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
sure.
cool.
Sean's a pro now.
He's standing in a weird awkward.
Oh my
I
god,
feel like
it
you can
does.
see like his fingers too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Amazing. Like truly, I keep stepping back and being like, guys, look at it. That's like honestly how I feel. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I want to hear what you think. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys. Absolute death. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Please chill. No chill.
No chill.
Absolutely no chill. Don't touch me.
Hit pat your head while you were talking.
From magenta to yellow. Hold on.
Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
What? What?
Nothing.
Oh
Look
my
at you.
god. Huh?
Looks so good. Backlit by the sun and stuff.
Really?
You're glowing.
Oh my god, thank you. Alright, you guys, I think it is safe to say that there's something in my teeth. I know we've been on this whole, like, cellar color vast. Oh my
Wow.
Why did you pull me to you so closely? Wow, look at that.
god.